The FIFA World Cup is no longer just a massive tournament for athletes and television networks. It has evolved into the single largest digital commerce event on the planet. With billions of fans fully immersed in the tournament across multiple screens, the surge in online traffic and consumer spending is creating unprecedented wealth for agile entrepreneurs. This tournament marks a historic shift because it is the first truly digital-first, AI-driven World Cup where fan passion converts into online transactions within seconds. Total commercial revenues surrounding the event are projected to break historic records, eclipsing $10 billion, with a massive percentage of that capital flowing directly through internet channels. For online business owners, digital service providers, and e-commerce store operators, this massive wave of consumer intent presents a golden window of opportunity. You do not need a physical stadium or retail storefront to capture this wealth. You only need to understand the exact digital business models that are scaling rapidly right now to absorb this massive influx of global spending. Print-on-demand and niche fan merchandise marketplaces. One of the fastest and lowest-risk ways to capitalize on World Cup fever is through print-on-demand e-commerce platforms specializing in hyper-targeted, trending fan apparel. Traditional sports merchandise manufacturers focus heavily on official team jerseys, which leaves a massive, unfulfilled gap for creative, humorous, and immediate culturally relevant apparel. When a player scores a mind-blowing goal, makes a dramatic statement in an interview, or a coach pulls off a bizarre tactical move, that specific moment instantly becomes a viral, global meme. By utilizing print-on-demand networks, online entrepreneurs can design custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases celebrating these viral milestones and list them for sale within hours of the match ending. Since you only pay for the manufacturing and shipping after a customer places an order, there is absolutely zero upfront inventory cost. Smart digital store owners are driving thousands of targeted buyers to their sites by running localized social media ads aimed directly at the fan bases of winning nations, turning real-time internet trends into clean e-commerce profit margins. Virtual match viewing party kits and instant grocery bundles. With a massive percentage of global consumers choosing to stream World Cup matches at home with friends and family, the demand for fast, convenient party preparation has hit an all-time high. This trend has opened up a highly lucrative e-commerce opportunity for digital store owners who can curate and sell virtual matchday survival kits and automated party supply bundles. Online shoppers do not want to spend hours searching separate web pages for decorations, face paints, noisemakers, and themed snack packages. They want a one-click solution that arrives at their doorstep before kickoff. Entrepreneurs are capturing this market by launching hyperlocal digital storefronts that integrate directly with on-demand delivery apps and micro-fulfillment networks. By offering specialized country-themed watch party kits, custom snack bundles, and instant party supplies, these businesses provide immense value to time-crunch fans. Success in this niche relies heavily on setting up your online store infrastructure to capture localized search traffic, such as game day, snacks near me, and offering rapid fulfillment options so fans can order their gear the morning of a massive knockout match. Automated sports analytics platforms and daily fantasy portals. The modern football fanbase is deeply obsessed with deep data, match statistics, predictive analytics, and fantasy sports competitions. This analytical shift has created a massive market for digital entrepreneurs who build niche membership websites, automated web tools, and predictive sports analytics dashboards. Millions of casual and serious fans are constantly hunting for accurate performance data to win their corporate fantasy leagues, make friendly match predictions with co-workers, or simply understand the strategic changes their favorite managers are implementing on the field. You do not need to build a massive mobile app from scratch to profit from this trend. Many successful online business owners launch premium newsletters, private community chat servers, or simple subscription-based web dashboards powered by sports data APIs. By translating raw data into beautiful, easy-to-read player performance charts, match score predictions, and optimal fantasy lineup suggestions, you create a highly desirable digital product. This software-as-a-service model generates incredible recurring revenue throughout the tournament, as fans gladly pay premium fees to gain an analytical edge over their peers. Localized micro-SAS tools for sports bars and event planners. The massive global influx of football fans looking to watch games at local venues has put immense pressure on sports bars, restaurants, and event coordinators to manage crowds and bookings efficiently. This operational bottleneck has opened a wide window for software entrepreneurs to build highly specific, localized micro-SAS tools designed to optimize the event viewing experience. Venues need simple, reliable digital solutions to handle seat reservations, coordinate table bookings for high-profile matches, display interactive digital schedules, and even manage mobile ordering during busy match overtimes. Building a lightweight web-based tool that solves just one of these localized venue problems can lead to thousands of dollars in business-to-business software licensing fees. For instance, a simple digital portal that allows sports bars to easily list their upcoming match schedules, display real-time seating availability, and take non-refundable seat deposits for major rivalry games is incredibly easy to sell. Business owners will happily pay a monthly software fee for these tools because it prevents chaotic overbooking, maximizes their capacity, and significantly boosts their overall food and beverage revenue during high-traffic match windows. Digital fan concierge networks and localized guide portals. Because major tournaments attract millions of international travelers moving between completely unfamiliar host cities, the need for immediate, localized digital information has skyrocketed. This unique travel dynamic has created a booming market for digital concierge networks, hyper-localized travel blogs, and premium city guide portals. International fans who travel to support their countries constantly need fast answers regarding local transit routes, stadium security rules, safe neighborhoods for lodging, and the best local spots to eat after a match concludes. Entrepreneurs are monetizing this massive search demand by launching automated chat concierges on WhatsApp or building highly focused city guide blogs optimized for local SEO. These digital platforms generate income through multiple lucrative channels, including premium paid digital guide books, direct lead generation partnerships with local transport companies, and sponsored ad placements from independent restaurants looking to attract foreign tourists. The beauty of this model is that once the digital content and automated booking pipelines are established, the platform runs completely on autopilot, capturing highly valuable tourist dollars every single day. Seizing the massive commercial potential of global sports trends requires a deep understanding of modern consumer behavior and digital infrastructure. If you want to continue discovering the most profitable online business models, scaling your digital ventures, and learning how to turn massive cultural events into consistent revenue streams, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss our next entrepreneurial deep dive.